following video presentation is designed for the beginning and intermediate rifle. First, we'll present a series of fundamental exercises teaching a variety of techniques. These exercises should be rehearsed thoroughly with great attention to detail. Once control of the equipment, hands, and body is achieved, repetition of each exercise will benefit consistency and endurance. A reasonable level of proficiency should be achieved with each exercise before continuing to the next. An exception to this thought might be the higher tosses that require much more time. All exercises should be reviewed daily at the beginning of each rehearsal. Before we learn the exercises, it will be necessary to explain certain terms that will be used frequently throughout the video. We refer to the ends of the rifle as the butt and the tip. The butt is the large triangular end, with the tip being the end of the elongated barrel. The neck is the smallest part of the rifle where the butt and barrel meet. The strap extends underneath the rifle and is usually attached at the end of the butt and towards the end of the barrel. Our first position will be right hand spin position. Support the butt of the rifle with the right hand by grabbing the neck of the rifle with the strap facing down. Place the left hand on the top side of the tip to keep the rifle parallel. Make sure that it is even with the waist. Left hand spin position is the same parallel position. This time the left hand supports the rifle underneath the middle of the barrel and the right hand is on top of the butt. Cross body is any angle that crosses the upper body at the shoulders and hip. Port is any rifle position that is perpendicular to the ground and centered in the upper body and above. We'll start with an angle exercise that is designed to increase the strength of the performer's lower arm, wrist, and hands. Be sure to emphasize the stop and sharpness of each angle using a squeezing technique with the hands. To begin, we'll start with the rifle in a parallel position at waist level with the right hand underneath and the left hand on top. This we'll call right hand spin position. On count 1, push the rifle to the left, allowing the left hand to grab the butt of the rifle. On count 2, invert the rifle, sliding the right hand lower on the strap. On count 3, push up to a port position with the right hand at nose level. On count 4, drop back to right hand spin position. Rehearse these 4 counts before continuing. To continue on to count 5, return to port position, this time turning the strap to the front. On count 6, pull the rifle sharply over the right shoulder, forcing the left hand out. The strap should be facing to the right. On count 7, slice the rifle forward to a parallel position even with the eyes. On count 8, return to the previous port position. Rehearse these counts separately, then add counts 1 through 4. To continue the exercise, push the rifle straight down, allowing the left hand to move to the butt. Note the placement of the thumb. On count 10, push the rifle to a level position, even with the stomach, allowing the right hand to come underneath the left. Come to left hand spin position for count 11. On count 12, force the rifle to the right side of the body, allowing the right hand to grab the tip. For count 13, pull to port position. Allow the left hand to grab the butt of the rifle on the strap side. On count 14, the rifle will stay in place as the right hand grabs the neck in a thumbs down position. Then pull to a port position, then flat to right hand spin position on counts 15 and 16. We will rehearse the exercise first in sections of 4, then 2, then finally every count. Be sure to stop each angle firmly using a squeezing technique of the hands. Let's try it with everyone. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. 9, 2, 3, 4. 10, 2, 3, 4. 11, 2, 3, 4. 12, 2, 3, 4, 13, 2, 3, 4, 14, 2, 3, 4, 15, 2, 3, 4. Sections of 2, ready, and 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 2, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 2, 14, 2, 15, 2, every count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again. One, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. 9, 2, 3, 4. 10, 2, 3, 4. 11, 2, 3, 4. 12, 2, 3, 4. 13, 2, 3, 4. 14, 2, 3, 4. 15, 2, 3, 4. Twos, ready, and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10, 2, 11, 2, 12, 2, 13, 2, 14, 2, 15, 2, every count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The next exercise will develop a flip. This will later be applied in the stops of spinning motions and tosses. To begin, start at right hand spin position. Swing the tip of the rifle down and catch it with the left hand as it comes around to a port position. This will be count 1. Note that the swing is initiated just before 1. Reverse this move back to the beginning position on count 3. Repeat this move on 5, this time squeezing with the left hand to support the rifle, allowing the right hand to come around, grabbing the top side of the butt for count 6. On count 7, pull sharply to a left hand spin position. Rest on count 8. For counts 9 through 16, repeat this exercise on the left hand. Ready, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. To continue the exercise, we now allow both hands to leave the rifle as we swing or flip to port position on count 17. Be sure to catch with both hands at the same time, squeezing to ensure a sharp stop. Rest on count 18 and pull sharply to left spin position for count 19. Rest on count 20. Repeat this on the left side for counts 21 through 24. To continue, skip the port positions and flip directly from right flat to left flat, then back again and repeat, flipping on counts 25, 27, 29, and 31. You may want to rehearse this exercise in small sections at first. This time with everyone. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Again. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. The next exercise will teach proper spin technique. It is designed for the beginner and should be rehearsed frequently. Pay particular attention to detail until the performer is comfortable with spins. Start in the right hand spin position. With the left hand, drop the tip of the rifle, allowing it to swing for counts 1 through 4. Note that each swing goes to a 45-degree angle and that the elbow is placed securely with the forearm parallel to the ground. On counts 5 through 8, increase the swing so that it reaches level on the end counts. On counts 9 through 12, increase the angle to the maximum possible without letting go of the rifle or moving the elbow from the side. On count 13, swing the rifle all the way around, letting go, then catching again on count 14. Repeat for 15 and 16. Notice the lifting motion of the wrist. Allow the rifle to drop back into small swings, repeating the exercise for the next counts 1 through 16, catching solidly in left-hand spin position on the next count 1. Rest for 4 counts, then repeat the exercise on the left hand. Let's try the swing spins with everyone. 1, 3, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, ready, move. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1. Again. 1, 3, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. 1. Once the spinning technique becomes comfortable, we omit the swings and go directly to spins. From right-hand spin position, swing the tip down on the count before 1, then directly up on the end count, allowing the first complete spin on count 1. Continue spinning counts 2 through 8, stopping solidly on the next 1. Rest 4 counts, then repeat on the left hand. Continue this exercise with emphasis on starting and stopping the spins. These count sections may also be increased to 16, 24, 32, and so on for exercises in endurance. Let's try the spins with everyone. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Again. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. The first toss we'll discuss is a single. Starting from the left spin position, push the butt down with the right hand, allowing it to swirl under, then up. Raise the left hand to just underneath the shoulder. This will be your release point for the single toss or aerial. Repeat this process and release the rifle, allowing the butt to pass underneath once. The second time the butt approaches, the rifle should be caught with both hands in a right spin position. To put this in exercise form, start at right spin position, and flip to port on count 1. On count 3, pull to left spin position. Toss the single on count 5, catching solidly with both hands on count 6. Rest 7 and 8, then repeat. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. When attempting a double, use the same exercise as for the single. You will raise the release point to shoulder level and allow the butt of the rifle to come underneath twice, catching on the third. Release on count 1 and catch on 3. For the beginner, you may also want to initiate the toss not from a flat position, but a dip. A dip position raises the right hand to shoulder level. Notice that the right elbow is parallel to the ground. Let's try some doubles, first from flat, then from a dip position. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For a triple, raise the release point to eye level and allow one more rotation. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For quadruple aerials, we raise the release point to above the head and add another count for one more rotation. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are several different ways to present a spinning motion. We can change the appearance of a spin by changing velocity, shape, and by moving a spin through space around the body. Each of the following variations require extra flexibility in the performer's wrist. The first spin variation will be swings. To execute swings, start from a right hand spin position. On count 1, swing the rifle down towards the ground, allowing the right hand to slide up the rifle next to the left. Notice the turn of the strap. Continue the swing to a high position above the head. Then swing behind the back and up. Continue down again towards the floor and around to the starting position. Note the timing of the spin. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. To execute double fast, start with a single spin falling into the right hand on count 1. Continue the spin so that the left hand may reach over, above the right hand, and grab in a thumbs-up position. Continue the spin, allowing the right hand to reach under to the top side of the rifle in a palm-up position. The spin continues so that the left hand may again reach over, this time grabbing the top side of the rifle. Complete the rotation so that the right hand may again grab underneath to the strap. Note the pattern in which the hands grab. Strap, strap, top, top, with the left hand always grabbing over and the right hand reaching under. While learning double fast, it is necessary to grab firmly with the thumbs. Once a performer feels comfortable with the double fast technique, the thumbs will slowly be eliminated and the rifle will simply fall from one hand to the other. Let's put the double fast in an exercise form. For the beginner, we'll start with 4 counts of spins, catching the last spin on count 5. Using a quarter note pattern, begin double fast for counts 6, 7, and 8. Return to spins and repeat. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the more advanced performer, we'll take the double fast to an 8th note pattern, beginning on the end of 5, and repeat the cycle until the end of 8, falling back into spins on counts 9 through 13. Return to double fast on the end of 13. This time on count 14, flip with the right hand to a left hand spin position on count 15. To return to the starting position, flip back to a right-hand spin position on count 17. Rest until count 20 and repeat the exercise. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The next variation will be extensions. A simple extension is performed usually from right-hand spins or double fast. To execute the extension, drop the tip of the rifle, allowing it to swing up to a high port position above the head. Note that the strap of the rifle must rotate in towards the performer as the tip swings up. At the height of the extension, the strap then flips towards the performer, then to the right side. This allows the butt of the rifle to come between the head and forearm of the performer. To continue, simply drop down into right-hand spins. Let's put the extensions into exercise form. Starting at right-hand spin position, spin for counts 1 through 4. Grab the rifle firmly with the right hand and extend on counts 5 and 7. Then repeat. To execute the circular flourish, start at a right crossbody position. Push the butt of the rifle down across the body, forcing the tip towards the armpit. Note the wrist motion. Continue the rotation as to allow the butt to swing to the right side and the tip to swing behind and down. Continue through an extension and back down across the body so that the tip is secure in the armpit in a tucked position. Reverse the series to execute a reverse circular flourish. At first, start the flourish on count 1, ending in a tuck position on count 4. Reverse the flourish on count 5, ending on 8. Once comfortable with the flourish, execute the first flourish in 3 counts, resting on count 4. And reverse on 5 through 7, resting on 8. A variation of the circular flourish is the side flourish. To execute the side flourish, start at left-hand spin position. On count 1, swing the butt down and up so that the right hand may grab in the neck of the rifle in a thumbs-up position. From here, execute a flourish without the circular motion so that the butt of the rifle swings behind, followed by the tip. The butt will be up on count 2. Continue the rotation, swinging the butt down and in front, followed by the tip, to a right-hand spin position on count 3. Rest on count 4. Be sure the flourish extends out to the side of the body. Then execute the exercise to the left, this time leading with the tip behind, followed by the butt, with the tip up on count 2. Continue to a left-hand spin position. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The following routine is designed to show the application of these fundamental techniques. Notice how segments of the fundamental exercises and transitional positions are arranged to create musical phrases of equipment work.